Hi everyone, I'm Antoinette and I'm holding the blue envelope, which means we have a new question about Timly. So today's question is, can Timly help us with maintenance management? And the answer is, what use is an asset tracking solution if it doesn't help you ensure that your assets remain in top condition and are safe to use? So absolutely. Keeping on top of maintenance activities and deadlines can be time-consuming and requires a lot of attention. And it's quite easy for things to slip through the cracks, especially during busy periods. However, given the health, safety, and compliance implications, this is not something that any organization or business can take lightly. Which is why at Timly, we've made sure that our asset tracking solution comes with powerful maintenance capabilities and functions to help your team easily keep on top of maintenance activities and deadlines. Now, as you know, in Timly, you can organize your assets into categories and subcategories. Let's say, for the purposes of this video today, that you've organized your assets into IT assets, machinery, power tools, vehicles, facilities, etc. Now, for each of these categories, you can create specific deadlines to manage specific maintenance activities. So, for example, you can create a deadline called MOT and make this deadline specific to your vehicles category. So it doesn't apply to your IT assets, to your facilities, power tools, etc. Now, as part of Timly's integrated ticketing system, this deadline management function gives you robust and flexible maintenance management capabilities. So in the ticketing system, you can create a ticket type called inspection, and then you can open a ticket for inspection and assign all relevant items to it. These can be items from across your categories or from a specific category, for example, from your IT asset category. And not only can you plan and schedule maintenance activities, you can keep an overview of all past and forthcoming deadlines in a single dashboard. You can also document all of your maintenance activities, which maintenance protocols were followed, when, by whom, how, what materials were used, etc. So there you have it, a robust maintenance management solution to put you in the driver's seat, make sure you keep on top of all these important maintenance deadlines and remain compliant. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. If you have, consider subscribing and following us on LinkedIn. I'll see you next time. Until then, happy tracking. Bye everyone.